way. It's not the greatest of campgrounds. I don't usually like campgrounds, but okay. A lot of amenities. Now I've got to find unlucky number 13. Let's see here. Loop A and B. Okay. Let's go around this loop. Oh, there's two. Oh wow, there's a. These are really close together. Okay, 12 and 13. This one is me. You know what? I think I'm gonna back in. That's all the shit. Most of it's firewood though. There's the outside. Alright, just a quick rundown before my battery runs out. There's the completed setup from the outside. And here we are set up over by the fire pit. Got a couple of baked potatoes ready to go when I fire it up. Let's go across the street here. At this, just look at this. It's all my magnet fishers. Eat your heart out. There is so much history in here. Guy down there fishing. And of course it goes all the way up and all the way down.
Miles per hour. Sunday, sunny. Highs in the 40s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows 25 to 35. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour after midnight.
Well, here's my little fire pit that I get along with it. We're all set up. And I've got a couple of baked potatoes on there to go along with the steaks for tonight's dinner. And then, of course, we've got the sheltered area. And then, of course, the ice fishing tent. And what a bear to set up in the wind. Let me tell you. My tent turned into a bathtub more than once. Morning. We survived the night. It's about 32 degrees.